Hey, what's going on, guys? Edward here, back with another video. Alrighty, so I just wanted to show you guys three analysis we did today. Yesterday, we took an L um, on the markets. It was a little weird, or the market was like preparing for this day after the news. A few news were out today. So let me go ahead and show you right quick what we did. This setup is starting with Nasdaq. Look at Nasdaq right here. So market was definitely hectic, pretty much from yesterday, guys. I shared. Let me see if I can find again this point of entry. And took the buy here. Look at this. Right. So this is the free group, right? On Telegram. Actually, I did share this analysis right here at this point. The market was going down. The market was going down. Then it started to see a correction. This is a 1 hour time frame right here. I'll show you what I was seeing on a smaller time frame. Okay, if you go on Nasdaq on this smaller time frame, I was going on a 5 minute, and I always tell you this, guys. When the market is dropping, when the market is falling, you don't know what to do, the market will tell you where it's going to be going. Okay, especially in Nasdaq or US30 and S&P 500 indices. They're nice. They're going to definitely tell you. Depends. Sometimes it takes a lot of work to spot this, but once you master it, you're going to see it every time. So every time the market is going down, you see it's creating bearish formations. Right here, you have this nice flag right here, bearish flag. The market continue melting very strong. Now, this is where things starts telling you, the market starts telling you right here that it wants to reverse. And what do you see there? You see that big wedge or a bearish or reversal flag. Um, so no, you can spot this, and it was not that complicated. It was actually kind of simple. It's just that by the time that I made the entry somewhere. It was somewhere around here that I actually sent the signal on a 1 hour time frame. Okay, it was a little late. The stop loss was, you can see right there, was kind of below right there. Now, let's see what happened right here, guys. The best entry. Where do you say the best entry would have been? When you see a reversal and the breakout of the flag, this would have been the best entry right there. The breakout of that wedge formation. Okay, the stop loss normally below that previous low, and that's it. That's your entry. So at that point, if you want to aim to the top, that's that's something you could have done right there at the very, on this previous zone right there. Or let's say you missed it. Let's say you missed the opportunity and you decided to actually, I don't know, you were somewhere around here. Okay, then you spotted that nice bullish flag. This is a very strong zone right here. Plus, you see these three candles right here to the upside. This is to me a small supply demand zone right here. So the market did reach out, did came back down to the supply zone right here. Uh, Not supply, demand zone. I'm sorry. And after that, immediately shooting up. Where would you enter? On the breakout of the flag. Where is the breakout? This one single candle right there breaking. Stop loss below, and that's it. You want to aim to the next zone, next high, you can do it. All right, it wasn't nice. You see that the market was actually telling us right there that it's starting to reverse. But when I sent the analysis, I said that I took the risk and I sent it to the group. I was buying somewhere around here very late, but I knew that something was going to happen. This is definitely telling me something. The market is very cheap. Look at that massive drop. Look at that massive drop right there. So this is the only sign that we were that was telling us to actually buy right here, because you see all the way down when the market was dropping, you were just seeing just bearish flags, right? Market is telling you, hey, I am selling this thing. So, you know, it went all the way down, creating bearish formation. What's the first sign of a reversal and continuation to the upside? There you go. You have the sign of the reversal. and now you have a bullish flag. So what else should I tell you here, guys? It was so simple right here. At least this push on a quick scalp on a 5 minute, you could have caught that. Okay. Now what happened? I left the entry open because I knew this thing was going to shoot up. Um, right here, I made the entry. Let me show you again. Let me see if I can go now on the chart. Let me see Nasdaq. Yeah, look at here. This was a little later. You see the entry was like somewhere around here. Let's see. I think it was the distance right there. So it was somewhere around here, the entry. The stop loss was somewhere a few pips below right there. And I was aiming, you see where I was aiming. I was aiming to the very top, right there. All right. So all this noise right here, and the market started to drop. This was all Asian session. Then the London session came in, and the market dropped. The market dropped. Let me remove that. So you can see the market fell down, and it went to this. Look at this nice demand zone right here. I'm gonna show you. I think I spotted it on a 30 minute. Yeah. Look at this, three candles. Big push, three candles right there. So this is my invisible demand zone right here. The price pushed, came back down. You see it was showing rejection, and right here actually shoot up. I caught the losses. I remember I think I caught the losses when the price was dropping. I was stupid. I should have just let it open. Sometimes um I do tell you this, guys, like every time as well. Sometimes if you put a stop loss where you put it, just let it go. Let that thing in there. I believe I would have not got stopped out, or almost, depending on the broker you had. Maybe I don't know, the spread could have stopped you out. I'm pretty sure I could have stopped out. I could have been stopped out because the stop loss was like barely, maybe 1 2 pips away from being stopped out. But I'm pretty sure I could have got stopped out anyways. But that happens. I don't care. We got stopped out right there, but the zone was nice. We're still this was showing some type of double bottom also, and now with the news, that thing shut up. It went to the sky. So nice formation right there. I did send quick because this was moving so quick right there on the free group right there. The price actually was shooting up so quick, and I was still kind of doubting. I thought that the market was going to go down after seeing this wick right here. I thought the market could actually melt down, but no. This was a nice demand zone right here, and big buyers right here, big fishes, institutions and banks got in here, but strongly. You can see this is just a vertical push right here. Now, market is closed right now, so we're coming into Asian session. So most likely we're going to have some type of correction, a pullback. Price could be going down now. Let's see US30. I did send this analysis to uh, what's going on to the VIP, and look at what was happening right here. Again, almost the same movement, but look at this big reversal flag. Okay, like if you spotted this, look at that. The entry would have been at this, and I'm on a 1 hour time frame right here. Your entry would have been maybe at the close out of this candle. Once the candle closed, boom, entry right there, stop loss below the zone, or even below this. Look, you see this weak rejection right here, this massive wick. This is because of the news. This is the time the news came out right here. So it depends on what you want to do here. Maybe putting it below this previous week right here would be fine. And then securing profits as soon as it reaches this previous highs right here. You already know the protocol, and I was aiming to the uh, to that 4 hour zone. Okay, so yesterday I messed up also with this one, stopping out right here. Where was it? I was seeing a head and shoulder right here, and I made a buy somewhere around this zone, right? And I decided to hold it pretty much. This was my entry. It was somewhere around here, right? I was seeing, We are in a 4 hour zone. We're seeing some type of head and shoulder. You see the price created the first. This is the lowest point. I don't know if you can see there. This is the lowest point. Engulfing candle pullback, and now you see the pullback was on that and this candle right here. So this is a small. It was a small demand zone right here, right? Boom, you got the engulfing candle price pushing and breaking, creating new high right here, higher than this one right here, and this is the first higher low. The price was creating lower lows all the time. It was creating lower lows and creates the first higher low right here. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna get in there, and I did get in. I believe the stop loss was here, and I was aiming to the take profit, right? But look at this, because yesterday this this flag was not formed yet, was not completely formed yet. I did it today. I found it today after I got stopped out. Then I arranged my lines and I actually found the reversal flag. Okay, but this was, of course, it was not formed yesterday. So there's no way I would have known that this was going to be a reversal flag. Not always we're gonna know what the market is gonna do until it does it, right? So, anyways, I in my head I knew and I know until now that this was a good entry. It was definitely a good entry right here. I'm not just inventing this or making this out. It was a good entry. The signals was there. The analysis was there. Um, it was telling me to buy, so I just go with the buy. Guys, if you lose this trade, if you lose a trade, it's a single trade, right? You should know, not because you lose one trade, it means you're gonna be blowing your account with one single trade. I'm not aiming to double my account in one single trade. Be patient, Be patient. Use your same lot size. Be careful with the lot size you choose. Don't over leverage. All right, a loss is a loss. Boom, took that L right there today. I don't care. Today we recover. I recover since I made three entries. I made entries on Nasdaq, US30, and S&P 500. And US30 I entered a little late, but still made some profit. But US30, S&P, US30, and S&P 500, nice. It was a nice TP actually. So basically, that's you know you're gonna have some losses. You are gonna have some losses. All right. So today, basically, with this push, with this movement right here, we recovered the loss from yesterday, right? So nice. Again, when the market was here, I was sending the signal. Let me show you here the VIP. Hold on. Right here. Look at here. So you see that when I sent the analysis, the market was right here, and I was predicting sometime maybe the price could start creating lower lows. But we are now playing. The market was actually going below the 4 hour. Now look at this. This is when I thought the market was actually going to start to pushing back up. And as soon as I saw the market doing this, you see the price push back up on top of my H4 hour. And look at where exactly rejected it right there. It was showing that rejection. But then, boom, the news came out, and it was a lot of volatility. Then, it was first the volatility was going to the downside. Then it started to see the weak rejection. The prices started to retrace all the way back up, 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 up. So I was like, I'm gonna take the risk. I'm gonna go for a buy right here. Stop loss below. Again, I'm not afraid because I'm not gonna be blowing my account with one single trade. If I blow my account with this, I'm stupid. I'm not following my plan. So I went aggressively right there, stop loss below, and take profit to pretty much to the top. So that is it, guys. You know, I am. I did send the analysis to the group right here. I think it was. You see, this is the previous analysis. This is S&P 500. This is US30. It went so hard. Almost no time to take a screenshot, but the price was going up so fast that it went in a little late, but that's fine because the price did a pullback, did some type of correction, if I'm not mistaken, on a 15 minute. Yeah, you see, it did some type of correction. The price did a retest, it came back down, so there was a plenty opportunity to get in there, but it was fast. It was really fast because of the news. Sometimes I don't like that because it is kind of scary. So I just rather follow my price action. But right now you see that the formation was nice. And what does it tell you from here? What do you see? Like you understand now that entering, sometimes you make an early entry, you're not able to see or predict exactly what the market is going to do until it does it, right? So all right, took that L right here inside, that's fine. And right here, after being more patient and waiting for the breakout, would have been nice, uh, nice um, push right here and breakout to the upside. So that was US30. And with the last one on S&P 500, also, well, as you can see here, I believe this one right here also shut up very fast. But I was in earlier. Actually, I was in um, before the market broke, and it was a little aggressive position right there, but ended up going, shooting up like a rocket. But again, what do you see right here? You see this nice push. I think it was 30 minutes. Yeah, you see that nice demand zone. You see 1 to 3 candles, very big momentum candles, and then price consolidates, come back down. It retested several times. You know that this is a nice demand zone. Is an attractive zone for buyers. So that's what the market did. With the news again. As soon as the news came out, you see this big wick right here. And market tried to go down, but still rejecting it and just injecting a lot of money into the market. This was this setup was also nice. It was a nice trend, breakout to the trend, almost like reaching previous record highs. So beautiful, beautiful formation. Even though yesterday took took the L, but that's fine. As I mentioned, you're gonna have some red days. You're not always gonna be on green. But you try that those red days are small. Okay, if you were into my mentorship or you actually got the course, you know that you have the control. You don't control the markets, but you can control how much you're going to lose, and that's the difference. That makes the difference because you can control if you want to blow your account or not, right? And that's by leveraging. So just be careful there, guys. Whenever you're trying to, get your money fast, when you want to make your investment right quick back. You want to get rich right quick. No, guys, please don't do that. Now today it was all red. This was all red, even gold right now. But with the news, look, even Bitcoin shut up. If Bitcoin was like a 40 something, 46. Yeah, Bitcoin even shot up right here. This is just an analysis and a setup for Bitcoin. I'm not selling. It's just an analysis that what could potentially do. The market could continue to the downside. I'm not trading Bitcoin. Um, XRP. I do have some investment on XRP, small investment, and this, yeah, it looks like they pushed up. Everything is pushing up right now. Let's see, gold. Yeah, you see that big wick rejection right here. Huh. Okay, this could look nice for, yeah. You see right here, this is a nice 4 hour zone. Okay. Look at that massive rejection right there. Let's see if this rejection will cause the market to now continue pushing. All right. Perhaps breaking and then continuation to the upside. Could be tomorrow. Or, yeah, most likely tomorrow. We might start doing that. It could be some type of reversal flag right here also. You could see that maybe this is something. If you clone this line, put it here. I don't know. It could be something, right? But remember, take action after it breaks to the upside. So that's basically it, guys. That's what I wanted to show you what we did today. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe. Give it a big thumbs up. It motivates me to keep posting analysis and videos like this every single day. Thanks again, guys, for watching. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Take it easy, guys.